Hey friends, Wayne up here at Ram Man Inc. I think probably what we ought to do is go ahead and braise up all 4 of these studs in this Hemi pan. Make sure that we don't have any more of them come loose. Dismounting this thing a couple years from now because of a leak and sending it all in stiff is a shit. That's a monumental freaking task in itself. We're gonna do it. Pop said we're gonna do it right. Uncle Ron said we're gonna do it right. Great. Now, I'm going to make this look easy because I've done it once or twice. I'm putting an awful lot of heat in this thing. This can's really thin. Melt you a fucking hole right through it, son of a bitch, in no time, right? Sure enough. You'll be on your game. These cans are going to be dirty from years and years of oil, contamination, oxidation. You need to get a lot of flux. Make it flow well. There we go, boys and girls. You can try this at home if you want. You want to burn a hole through a plastic Hemi can, you got at it. You need to braise these in. I've seen monkeys and stuff weld them in, and it doesn't work very good. It's hard to do because it's so thin. Braising works a lot better once you get that liquid fluid fills in all these areas. You know, we're not only are we looking for a structural type thing, but this is a vacuum tank, just like space. It really needs to not leak. So, we need to make sure that our braising jobs are really good. Really good. And then I double check them after I blast them. There we go, my friends. So, we've got all 4 of these studs brazed up really well. And we shouldn't have any more trouble. Sealed up. Good to go. Let's blast it. Clean this mess up. God bless you. God bless America. Anything to save a Hemi unit.